Yes, good day, people. So, guys, this video, guys, is going to be short, way too short, guys. And you already know, guys, it's Sunday. Whenever it's Sunday, I just come and analyze the market to just show my insight on Euro USD. So, without wasting any time, guys, again, let's just start to make what our supply and demand. And this one is what my supply, guys. Where market is what it's reacting. Then here I can just mark here like this. And some of you guys, I think you already know that. How I analyze, guys. If you have been following my video, that means you already know, guys. So B means what? Break of structure. Then here I can see an inside bar like this, and we're on weekly. Don't forget that. So here I can just make it like this. So currently, that's what I'm seeing on what on weekly, guys. So I'm a scalper, so I just start from what from weekly. I say weekly, daily, 4 hours, 15 minutes. 5 minutes till I get out to 1 minute where I took my where I can take my trades. So here, that's what I'm looking at. And this one is a low point there, guys. So here I'll mark what? A low point, then I'll mark again what? A high point here. So market is like this, guys. Market is just came here, directed on this high point here. Then it failed to take out what this low point. So basically, if it failed to take a what? A demand zone. That means it's what? It's gonna continue what going up like this here. So currently on what? On weekly, we are buying, guys. We are buying. Our buys, we still have a room whereby let me just zoom here like this. So if I can zoom like this here, guys, market here, it has to what? To break what? This high point here. This high point where I just put a small pattern here. It has to break and retest and continue what? Buying. Simple, guys. Simple. Don't have to what? You don't have to complicate things, guys. Yeah. So on weekly, we are buying, guys. Till we tap what? This high point there, guys. So then I'm gonna just do like this and go to daily. Weekly, we are buying, guys. Don't have to complicate things, guys. So let me just make what my zone. Same thing over and over, guys. You just have to do the same thing. So here I can take my trend line, I make it like this. So now we are on daily. We are coming from weekly. Here I can change of character. Then take a what? A rectangle to. And on some parts, guys, I'm going to be fast and just have to understand that's like how I talk, guys. I talk a little bit fast. So on daily, we are bearish, but on weekly, what? We are bullish. So we don't have to complicate things again. Whenever it's like this here, guys, our aim, because the higher time frame is the one that is more powerful. Here, we are acting on this what? Let me just take a highlight too. Sorry, on this supply zone here. So what does it mean? On this supply zone here, we just have to wait for market to what? To give us a reaction that we want, a good confirmation, whereby market, it has to what? It has to make a what? A change of character. If it can make a change of character, where on 4 hours or 15 minutes, then we can target this low point here, like this here, guys. But if we don't see anything, that means market is gonna break. If it breaks here, then we target what? This high point for weekly. I hope you understand, guys. Yeah. Because this thing we just have to understand. That's all, guys. Weekly, we are bullish. We are rating on what? On demand zone. So that demand zone, that means it's powerful. Market, it's a must. It has to break. Here, it's just a fake out here. You can see, guys, market just give a what? A little bit fake out like this. Then people, they start to sell. Once you start to sell, then boom, you will be surprised. Market is rating on a supply zone, but then it's what? It just sweep our, let's say it tap our stop losses. Now it's going bullish. What happened? Because we didn't look at what on the higher time frame, which is what? Weekly. So we say weekly, now we're on daily. On daily, you have to be careful here. But in our careful, you just have to wait for for 4 hours to give us a what? A change of character. If you can get a change of character, then we target what? This low point. Simple. So now we are going on what? On 4 hours here, guys. But if you let's say we don't get any change of character, that means market, sorry, is going to break. Once it break, we target what? That weekly high point. So now we are on what? On 4 hours. Simple, guys. You don't have to complicate things. So here, let me just mark here. And if let's say you know your strategy, guys, it doesn't have to take you a lot of time to analyze. Here, it's a supply zone here, guys. Here. Then here, market, you can see it has been forming what? High. Oh, sorry. I can mark it like this. Market is forming high points, and here with another high point. Then here with a demand zone, and it's a good demand zone. Like this, guys. Like this. Then market here, if you can see, it form what? A little change of character, which is simple, not strong, simple. So here you say change of character, choke. Then here it's P, stands for what? For break of structure, another P, change of character. Yeah, then here, so basically just for me what? A supply zone here. It's internal, but in current market guys, it's what? It's still bullish here. So, so on 4 hours, market is like this. So I'm just gonna take you way back again. Weekly, we are bullish, guys. We are rating what? On a demand zone, and we are targeting what? A high point. Then again, daily we made a what? A change of character down. It's bearish. Weekly bullish, daily bearish. On that bearish, we are rating what? On supply zone. So if we are rating on what? On supply zone on daily, that means on 4 hours or 50 minutes, we have to see what? A change of character, and boom, here we get a what? A change of character here. Yeah, it's a change of character. But in this change of character, what happened to change of character? We come all the way down and we take what? A demand zone. That demand zone, it managed to push what? The price up again. And in the moment of pushing price again, we come where? On this supply zone. So currently we're on a supply zone. This supply zone here, guys, this thing is super simple and cool, guys. And I can see like there's nothing you have to complicate yourself here. It's straightforward. Market, we are rating out on this supply zone. So if we are rating on this supply zone here, where we are currently, it's a decider point. By decider point, whatever comes on this supply zone, that's where market is going, like where market is going. You understand, guys? I think it makes sense here. If market here currently we're on a supply zone. If so, we're on 4 hours. If I turn again to 15 minutes, on 15 minutes, if market give us a change of character down, that means market is gonna drop all the way down, guys. Simple. If it managed to break this supply zone, that means we are going bullish, guys. That bull, we are going to take it what? That weekly high. Simple, guys. Perfect. You don't have to complicate things. I'm begging, guys. Simple. This zone here, where we are, this supply zone, it's our decider point, guys. Please, you understand? It's our decider point here. Simple, guys. Don't have to complicate things, guys. So that's how market it is, guys. So now I'm going to 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, I'm going to look for simple things for change of character. If I can get change of character down, that means I'm gonna start to look for sales all the way, guys. Everything here is gonna be liquid here. Everything we are going all the way down. But then if market can stop this price here and made a what? A break here. If it made a break here, that means we are targeting what? That weekly high point. Simple. So that wasting in time, guys. I'm going to flip out to 15 minutes. So I get to 15 minutes and my network is kind of slow. So like this here, guys. So if I get to this, so I can just refine this 4 hour zone to be small because I can see a good what? Yeah, like this here, guys. Yeah, something like this here, guys. Simple. Look how beautiful it is, guys. And here I can take my triangle. I make what? I can see what? Mm. Simple, guys. So that's where we are on what? On 15 minutes. So here, like what I said, guys, 4 hours we are rating or not on a supply zone. Now we are on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, what are we looking for? 15 minutes, if we can get a choke, something like this. If market come all the way and break this zone here, that means we are bearish. All time frame we are going for base. So we're just gonna wait for market to retest, and maybe yes, they can be a what, a supply zone. Then we take all the what, the price down like these guys here. Simple. Don't have to complicate. Like how many times guys? Don't have to complicate things. Don't have to complicate. Simple things that are already on the chart here. Just wait for market to come to you, then you react, guys. Simple. You understand? So market, if it come to what? Sorry, if market come to this zone here, then it give us what, a reaction. If we can get the reaction, that means we are taking all the price all the way to what, to that weekly high. You understand? To that weekly high, all the way like this again. Simple. And if it breaks, that means market is what, is bearish. Simple, guys. That's what we are looking for, guys. On what, on Euro USD. Don't have to complicate things. And there, if market just come, guys, react, boom. We are going what? We are going up to target what? The weekly high. If it breaks, we are going down. Simple. And again, market, it can make something like this. And I forget. Yeah. If it can, let's say, it it doesn't come what, to this demand zone. If it doesn't come, basically it will break here. If it breaks here, let's say it breaks here, then basically it will form what, a demand zone. If it form a demand zone, sorry, so let me just mark it like this, or let me just so market, it might not come what, to this zone here. If it doesn't come to this zone here, market, it will form something like this. So I'll take my horizontal line here. So market, it will break. If it breaks here, guys, we wait for market what, to pull again here. So I'm taking what, my rectangle 2 and mark something like this. Then it will come all the way here down here. Then it give me a reaction. Then boom, we are buying. That means we are bullish. Bullish, we target what, the weekly high. Then we are done, guys. Simple. Don't have to complicate things there. But in, like mostly what's gonna happen there, guys, without, you can see market is forming liquid down here. That's liquid here, guys. Mm. So that's liquid here. So basically, liquid, it will be swept here. So something like this here, something like this. Then it will just sweep it, guys. Something like this. Yeah, it will just form something like this, guys. So basically, market, it will come, it will sweep down here. If it sweep, then you target what, this high point there, guys. So market is gonna sweep, guys. No other way. It's gonna sweep. Definitely, it's gonna sweep all this liquid. Then, guys, simple, guys. And here, if let's say you can get a trade, guys. So let me just take my, where is my, yeah, my long. So if it comes, then do something like this, guys. Then here, we target what, that high point, guys. Simple, guys. If it breaks again, then I can take my short through here. Then we target something like this. So basically, it's gonna be like this here. Then it's gonna cover this zone, something like this here, guys. Mm, mm. Something like this here, guys. Simple, because it might come here and break and close down. If it close down, we target what, down here. Mm. Like this. I hope you understand, guys. Yeah. Simple, guys. Simple. Yeah, we're going up. Simple. And if let's say you don't understand anything, guys, just pop the question or anything in the comment section, then I can answer you guys. I hope that's all, guys, on what I'm looking at on Euro SG. In this zone, guys, this demand zone, this one where I just make a date here, guys. It's a, like, it's a strong zone on what, on 15 minutes, and on 4 hours we have another what, the saddle zone. So here you just have to wait for things to come in order, then we execute, guys. So guys, I think that's all, guys. Just make sure, guys, you use what, risk management, then you'll be sorted for life, guys. Then that's all, guys. So till I see you next time.